Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today to say that I'm doing my first ever collab video on this channel. In the whole like 3.5 years that I've had my channel, this is my first ever collab and I'm really excited. So I am collabing with Maria from AgapeLoveGirl. Maria is the sweetest, loveliest lady ever and I love her voice and she's just so beautiful and yeah, she's just a doll. So what we're doing today is called the Face Off Challenge. So we're both going to be using the Slush palette by September Rose. I open it up, that's what it looks like. Ooh, so pretty. Maria already picked the 5 shades that we're going to use, and basically the point of this is that we use the same palette, we use the same shades, and it's to see how we do looks with those shades. So the shades that were picked were Orange Soda, Tropical Fruit, Sour Cherry, Cucumber Lime, and then Blue Crackle. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, this blue here. It's got like a bit of a glitter fleck to it. So these were the shades that we had to use. So this is the look that I created. So if you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. So let us begin. I've already primed my eyes with the Helene eye base. The top to cut my brows with the Shape Tape, but it's a bit too drying on me now. So I do my lid with Helene just because it's a bit more forgiving. I'm going to take an angled liner brush. I'm going to go in with the first colour, which is the dark blue in the palette. I'm going to pronounce this wrong, but it's called Blue Carico. I don't know, I probably really butchered that, but it's a gorgeous blue shade with a little bit of fleck through it, but this is going to be my first shade. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look straight into my mirror with my eye relaxed so I know where the top to do my cut. And then I just flick it out. I've gone a bit too low down, I think. Going in with a little pencil brush, I'm then going to start buffing just that colour just above that and just deepening it. Before doing my next shade, I'm just going to softly, I was right, I was going to say slowly and then say softly as well, so it came out softly. Buff out that edge just to start the blending process. Blends out so nice. I'm happy with that. I'm then going to go in with Orange Soda and I'm going to load my brush and I'm going to pack it just on top of that blue line. It's a beautiful shade and in the pan it looks so bright, but you do have to build it up. And then back in with the blue because we lost that with the orange. And then a different brush, I'm going in with orange and blue mixed together just to blend out the edges where they meet. And then using a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff the top of that orange shade just to make sure it's all blended in. Taking the Helene base and the Shape Tape again, I'm now going to cover my whole lid with that, going up to that cut. I use the ABH one more just to get the clean line. I'm just going to pat out that concealer because it is quite thick. And then using a thinner brush, I just went around the outline because I kind of smudged it here, just to neaten up that line again and to get it looking more curved. Putting some tape on, however you want to style it. Tape's your personal preference about what line you want. I'm first going to go in with that blue shade again and I'm going to dab it right where the tape is. Always following the shape that I've got with the cut. I'm then going to go in the same palette with Sour Cherry and I'm going to pack it right where I've put that blue, practically on top of it. because it's going to mix them together and make it more purple, which is what I'm going for. Back in with the blue, just to merge those two colours together properly. Now I'm just going in with Sour Cherry again, all the same brush. So it's still going to have some of that blue on it, which is still going to give it the purple edge. I find tilting your head back works for this because it gets you to see the line without folding your eye up. You want to get quite close. When you're doing this, come underneath. Right, I'm then taking Tropical Fruit from the palette, which is a shimmery foil shade. It's gorgeous, and I'm going to place that on the inner corner. Again, I'm not going right up to the line, I'm making sure to just go up to it. But I'm going to place this all over the inner corner. And then using orange soda, I'm going to dab that in the middle where the pink and the orange meet. Because it's a matte shade, it'll just blend the purple and the orange together a bit nicer. Right, so I've just cleaned up my under eye, put some concealer down, and I've buffed some black line in my waterline and just buffed it a bit down. I'm now going to go in with the green colour that we're using, and I'm going to just pat that on my actual waterline, and then I'm just going to buff this all under my lash line. And then I do take a little tiny bit of the dark blue and I just buff in this outer corner. So that is that complete. I'm actually cheating a little bit in the game that we're doing. I don't have a light enough colour for my inner corner, and I don't really want to use the orange because I want the orange to stay on that lid bit. So I am going to just use the highlighter that I'm putting on my face on my inner corner, which I hope is alright. If Maria wants to penalise me, then it's her rules, but I just thought it would look a bit better. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and put on some lashes, and then I'll be back to show you the final look. So guys, that is the finished look. What do you think? I absolutely love how this turned out. That tropical punch, it's tropical punch or tropical fruit shade is absolutely stunning. I think they blended well together. This is actually my first time using this on myself. I've used it on clients a few times, but it's the first time actually using it on myself, so it was really nice to try it. I thought it was really lovely. I have no issues with this palette whatsoever. I have used their other palettes, which is the Brew palette and the Slush 2 palette, which is an all matte bright palette, and I'm a massive fan of them, so I already knew, like, going into this that I was going to love this palette, but like that orange shade is just what dreams are made of. So yeah, this is the look that I created. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel from Maria's, thank you ever so much for joining me today and for sticking with me this far. If you haven't already gone to Maria's channel, please go and check her out. I am going to leave the link to her video down below. Go say hi from Bubbly Bex. And yeah, she's absolutely stunning, so go and check her video out as well. I imagine she's created a lovely look as well. Anyway, I'm rambling, I've kind of forgot what to do, it's been that long since I've filmed. But yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it'd mean the world to me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!